Here's how to replace the air intake filter on the 4th Gen Acura MDX. Here's our brand new filter, guys. The filter on this new MDXs are inside this little box here. Basically, instead of just a engine cover here, it's also a filter compartment for the air filter. There's 3 bolts that is holding on this little compartment here. So all you have to do is get yourself a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and undo the bolts. There's 3 bolts that's holding on to it. There's 1, and there's 2, and there's 3. As you can see, those bolts are basically stays on there. They don't come off. And then take this compartment out, and there you go. That's how bad the old filter that we have in there. So anyways, guys, you see how filthy this air filter is compared to the brand new one that we have here. Anyways, I'm going to open this up here and replace this baby pretty soon. There you go. That's how it looks like. So this side down, basically. So put this aside. We've got our new filter in. As basically the sign shows. And this would stay up on the compartment here, basically. So you slide this down, similarly the way we removed the old one. And making sure that the sign that says this side down is basically facing down. Or facing this way, that is. And as you guys can see, there is a oil. I can see some oil applications in here as well. And it's probably just to prevent any dust or dirt that goes into the engine there. So it's actually nice. It's already oiled and everything as well. So anyways, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and clean this area up a little bit here because it's a little dirty. So I'm going to get my vacuum and going to clean it up. So now for the installation process, guys, just drop this filter right in there. So this is basically says down. So face down that way. Well, there you go. Just sitting nicely there. Just past this grommet here. And then just wipe our meeting surface here a little bit. Make sure that it's nice and clean. Similarly on this guy right here, make sure that's nice and clean. And then you install this baby in. There we go. Once it's nicely seated in, there you go. Just need to press it down to get everything sitting properly. And do the other side before you do the middle one. So do this one first and then do that one. To just even the pressure a little bit there. That's pretty much it, guys. It's all done. Simple.